In order to make a more efficient use of space, Allsport and Lockflow decided to maximize the full height of the new warehouse. The 6 Modula play an important role in this. Allsport and Lockflow approached us because they were looking for a solution to 3 problems: increased employee productivity, optimized use of a space's storage capacity, and the ability to quickly scale up additional staff at peak times, such as a Black Friday, for example. Our logistic engineers designed a total solution in which 6 modulas, with a work opening on the 2nd floor, are linked to a drop-to-light shelf arrangement with integrated roller conveyors that take the totes to the ground floor via a bin elevator. They then pass through a packing section to the sorting area with 7 exits. The total solution looked to increase productivity by almost 4 times, because we went from 40 order picks per hour per person in the old situation to 150 in the new situation. Next, the storage capacity for the warehouse was increased 5-fold by making optimal use of the warehouse height. And as a third benefit, the intuitive software allows the rapid deployment of additional people when Allsport finds it necessary due to the short learning curves of the system's operation. Clearly, thanks in part to Vanus, Allsport is always shaving high peaks.